Okay, so it's the calm before the storm. It is March 9th, and we're scheduled to get a good foot or more of snow tomorrow. So I thought I would take some video and see what the outcome will be. See if the weather forecasters are right. This is the driveway, the back sidewalk. And as you can see, today it was about 32 degrees, so we have plenty of melting going on. We'll see how the puppies look. I'm guessing it's quite messy, even though we got them all cleaned up yesterday. Hi, pretty boy. Yeah. There's the boy and the girl. Oh, it's not too bad. So I'm going to clean them out now. And everyone's thirsty and hungry. Mama just got home. So I'm going to take them out. And we'll probably do more video and see how we're doing tomorrow. Hi, yes, there's a pretty boy. And see how it looks tomorrow when we wake up.